Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be doing like a smoky brown look with the Jaclyn Hill palette. I am a huge fan of the browns. This is the palette. I used like these shades. Currently one of my favorites. It's like the holy grail for me for palettes because there's so many different options with just one palette. But sorry, I just got a message. Yeah, so if you want to see how I got this look, please keep watching. So as you know, we are going to be going in and doing a kind of deep look with the Jaclyn Hill palette by Morphe. It's currently my favorite palette. I'm just obsessed. Just dropped it. So as you can see, I'm starting barefaced today. So I can walk you through like the entire process of how I do my makeup when I'm here. So I'm gonna go in. Usually I start with just eyes, so I'm gonna do that today. But I always go in with an SPF product on my face just because, like, one sec. I just think sun care is like so important because I don't have a hair elastic. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. As I was saying, sun care is extremely important because I know so many people who spend countless dollars on face products for anti-aging or, you know, chemical peels or laser treatments, and honestly, like, if you're gonna do all of that and not protect your skin from the one thing that's gonna age it the most, you're kind of spending money on nothing, in my opinion. Do my eyes first. So I'm just using a concealer. I don't have anything super fancy. Just have, is that even working? I don't know, I see people doing that. And I don't really need to prime my eyelids. A lot of people do. I don't find that my eyelids crease, so I just find like the less product I put on before I do my eyeshadow, the better. That's another reason I'm not going in with primer. I'm going to be showering after this video and taking it all off, which I know might seem like a waste of makeup, but it's not, because I love doing makeup. It's my fave. Alright, so I don't have any super crazy fancy brushes either. I have a couple brushes from Sephora. Oh, what's going on? And some Quo brushes from work. So I don't have anything super crazy. But I'm gonna go in and do like an all over color right now, and I'm just using this kind of fluffy brush. Fluffy brush. And I'm gonna go in with this one all over my lid. And like a little bit goes a long way. 2 little dabs and that should be good to go. And it has a bit of a shimmer to it, so if you don't like that, I mean, she doesn't, I would say that's one of the only things that this palette's missing is like a matte, super light matte for an all over color. But I mean, in this day and age of makeup, pretty much everybody has their own favorite like eye primer anyway, so I just like to use the one palette because it's super quick. And yeah, I don't mind my scars. Okay, so done with that. Kind of just all over. Okay, so I'm going for a look. It's kind of like where it's like a lighter kind of smoked out brown and then goes into a really deep dark brown. So I'm going to go in with, I'm going to say this color, which is called, sorry, the first color I used is called Beam. The second one I'm using as my transitional color is going to be Silk Cream. Actually, I changed my mind. I'm going to use MFEO, which is this one, the fourth one in on the top row. And just kind of put it all along here. I'm just going in with the same brush. Easy to clean up later. There, so that's like a nice little color. So now I'm going to go in with this color right here, which is called Butter. And I'm just gonna kind of go over kind of where I just went, but a little lower into the crease. I can't decide if I want to use this creamsicle color or not. I feel like not, but who knows. You know what, I think I'm not gonna go in with that yellow. I'll do another look another time with that yellow. I am, however, going to go in with this color, which is called Pukey. Interesting name choice. I mean, it's a good name for the color because that's kind of what it reminds me of. But I'm gonna go more directly into the crease with this color. So I'm going to go in with this color right here on the outer side. That is called Mocha. I haven't got to use this one yet, and I'm pretty excited. So I'm just taking that original fluffy brush and just kind of blending the crease. Sort of got 80% of makeup is blending. I'm going to go in with that color Chip that I wanted with a little bit of Mocha. You know, you can't even see what I'm doing. And just dab it off a little and just kind of smoke out the corner. I look like a raccoon right now. I'm going to go in with this little like concealer type brush, and I'm going to pick a brown. I'm going to go in with this color, which is called 24/7. And I'm just going to put a little bit of that in the middle here. Really well with that Mocha, in my opinion. Just a little extra. Then I'm going to go in with Hailster? No, I don't want to go in with that. I'll go in with like the goldy type color, which is right beside the 24/7. It's called Meeks. I'm going to go in with Meeks. And just kind of go right here. So now that I'm done, like, I'm not done my eyes, but I'm done the dark parts of my eyes, I like to go in and do my foundation. Now, okay, so I've put quite a bit on my face and I still have a decent amount. So I'm going in with my beauty blender. And it's nothing fancy, it's just a Quo one from today. I'm just going to use my Maybeline Fit Me Matte and Poreless. Just gonna kind of set it on there. They say that you should leave it on for like 2 minutes and then dust it off. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put it on. So that's done. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of concealer. I've already dusted it off too. Probably should have said that. But again, I just go in with the same concealer. And I like to So I like to put this on my lips at this stage. It's just a Blistex. My lips get really, really dry. So I like to put it on so that by the time I go to put actual lip stuff on, it'll be all good in the hood. So I'm going to go in and warm up my face a little bit because I'm looking kind of... Alright, so I'm going to go do my brows. I will do another video of that again as well. I don't feel like doing, you know, it's going to take me a while. No one wants to see me do that. So my eyebrows are done. I'm going to go in and finish up the eyes and then put on my lashes and do my lips, and then I'm pretty much done. So I'm just going to use this little angled like eyeliner brush. Going in with one of these light colors, usually a little combination of both. I like to go in here, drag it down a little. Okay, so I'm going to go back in with this lighter color. The second one in, I believe, is called Beam. It's one of my most loved colors. I don't know if you can tell. But I use it quite a bit. Alright, my lashes are done. But I'm going to go in with a little bit of the Mocha. Just underneath my lash line. I never used to understand why people did this. I was like, why would you want it to look like you have powder that's gone down? I'm using NYX Liquid Lip Lingerie in the shade Bedtime Flirt because I'm feeling the nude for this. So this is the completed look. Of course, I didn't do anything with my hair, but oh well. Like I said, I'm probably gonna take it all off anyways and go have a shower. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you really enjoyed the video. In the description below, all the comments that I used today, all of the products that I used today, and what colors I used from her palette, from the Jaclyn Hill palette. So yeah, please like and subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you next time.